Welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into the best outdoor security cameras of 2024, highlighting the top options for keeping your home safe and secure. Whether you're looking for advanced features, ease of use, or powerful performance, there's something here for everyone. Arlo Pro 5S XL. Starting off, we have the Arlo Pro 5S XL Spotlight Security Camera. This setup includes 3.2K HDR cameras, delivering ultra-clear visuals with color night vision, so you can see details even in low light. The standout feature here is its dual-band Wi-Fi, which connects to the strongest available network, ensuring you always have a stable connection. This camera also has a 12x zoom, allowing you to capture details from a distance, and is equipped with two-way audio for instant communication with visitors or potential intruders. Plus, the battery life is optimized for longer use, which means less frequent recharging and more reliable coverage around the clock. This versatile camera can be used both indoors and outdoors, making it a solid choice for comprehensive security coverage. WYZE Cam V4. Next, the WYZE Cam V4 is a versatile and affordable security camera designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It offers a 2.5K QHD resolution, providing clear and detailed video footage. The camera features enhanced color night vision, allowing for vibrant color images even in low-light conditions. A built-in motion-activated spotlight, 72 lumens, enhances visibility and can deter potential intruders. The device supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi 6 compatibility, ensuring a stable and reliable connection. It also includes two-way audio, enabling real-time communication through the WYZE app. For storage, the camera supports local recording via a micro SD card up to 512 GB and offers cloud storage options. The WYZE Cam V4 is IP65 rated, making it suitable for various weather conditions. It is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT, allowing for seamless integration into smart home setups. Eufy Security SoloCam S220. The Eufy Security SoloCam S220 is a wireless outdoor security camera designed for continuous surveillance without the need for manual recharging or monthly fees. Equipped with a built-in solar panel, it harnesses sunlight to maintain its battery life, requiring approximately 3 hours of direct sunlight daily for optimal performance. It delivers sharp and clear video quality, both during the day and at night. Its infrared night vision provides adequate illumination, though some motion blur may occur in low-light conditions. The camera's 135-degree field of view ensures comprehensive coverage of monitored areas. Users commend the SoloCam S220 for its reliable solar charging capabilities, ease of setup, and high-quality video output. The absence of subscription fees is a significant advantage, making it a cost-effective solution for home security. While the solar panel reduces the need for manual recharging, it's essential to install the camera in a location that receives sufficient sunlight. Additionally, the 8 GB of internal storage may require periodic management to prevent overwriting important footage. In summary, the UFI Security SoloCam S220 offers a blend of convenience, performance, and affordability, making it a strong contender for those seeking a dependable outdoor security camera without recurring costs. Blink Outdoor 4. The Blink Outdoor 4 is a wireless smart security camera designed to monitor your home both indoors and outdoors. It offers 1080p HD live view, infrared night vision, and two-way audio, allowing you to see and communicate through the Blink app. The camera boasts a 2-year battery life with the included AA lithium batteries and features enhanced motion detection with dual-zone capabilities. For person detection alerts, a Blink subscription plan is required. The camera supports both cloud storage with a subscription and local storage via the Sync Module 2 and a USB drive. It is compatible with Alexa-enabled devices for voice control. Please note, this is an add-on camera and requires a sync module for operation. SEHMUA. The SEHMUA 2K solar security cameras come in a pack of 2, providing comprehensive coverage. They offer a 360-degree view with pan and tilt capabilities, ensuring no blind spots. Equipped with color night vision, they deliver clear images even in low-light conditions. The built-in PIR alarm detects motion and can alert you to potential intruders. Two-way audio allows for direct communication, and the solar-powered design ensures continuous operation without the need for manual recharging. Each of these cameras offers unique features tailored to different security needs. Consider your specific requirements, such as video quality, power source, and additional functionalities to select the best option for your home security setup. And that wraps up our list of the best outdoor security cameras for 2024. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more top picks. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.